Okay, guys, here's where we left off at. So now we're going to get some word messages to find out what they want to tell us in their word message, what this divine masculine wants to tell us in his words. All right, so what does this divine masculine want to tell us in his words? He wants to tell us, uh, let's see, give me a quick second to, oh, he's throwing things down in the back over here. I don't know what that was that fell, but he's back here wrestling up my stuff back there. So, yep, he is back there wrestling up my stuff. And his energy is pretty heavy. So he wants to tell us, excuse me, I got some mixed up with some another group. Sorry about that. Before I started recording, I should have, fixed my cards. But the message was calling me, and it was so, and I was just going to leave it as it was. So let's get some message. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Any messages? What does? Okay. One there. Is it just one message? Okay. Okay. That's done. Okay. We'll go with this one next. Message that wants to be said. What it sounds like. What it sounds like. DM. What it sounds like. What it sounds like. It sounds like that. What it sounds like. It sounds like that. And I think it sounds like this too. I don't know what those are because they're there. It sounds like that, whatever that is. Well, it definitely sounds like those. And it sounds like this. Okay, what else does it sound like? What does it sound like? Oh, that jumped. What it sound like? What it sound like? Oh, that's too many. Sounds like they better believe in something. They better believe in a higher source. That's what it sounds like. Okay, let's hear some sarcasm. What they got to hear in sarcasm. Sarcasm. What they got to hear in sarcasm. What it sounds like. What it sounds like. What it sounds like is what it sounds like. What it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. Alright. It sounds like, let's see. It might be an air sign. What it sounds like. Alright. That's what it sounds like. What else? It could be a water sign. What it sounds like. What it sounds like on the surface. What it sounds like. Oh, that's it. So this is something they want to tell you. What it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. And it sounds like no service. So this person might be a narcissist. Sounds like no service. Or that person's phone might be off. No service. That's what it sounds like. What about quarantine? What it sounds like in the quarantine? What it sounds like? It sounds like a copycat. What it sounds like? What it sounds like is... What it sounds like... Walk away. That's what it sounds like. What it sounds like. They reap what they sow. Choose yourself. Walk away. What it sounds like. I think that's it, y'all. It says, oh, no service. Okay, so no service. This person might be a narcissist. And they got unlimited supply. So they think. Yep. And this person thinks, and they got unlimited supply. Let's keep these two because this two is out. Trying to destroy the empire. Unshakable though. Okay. Okay, so what does it sound like? It sounds like, let's see. What it sound like? It sounds like, what it sounds like is, ooh, sounds like a bunch of junk. A bunch of, ooh, a bunch of cracked nails. Because I just cracked a nail. What it sound like? Cutthroat. That's what it sounds like. What it sounds like. It sounds like they're keeping quiet over their poor choices. What it sounds like. It sounds like keeping quiet. What it sounds like. What it sounds like. Multi-partners. What it sounds like. Oh, free will. It sounds like, okay. Oh, and this. Okay. They all fell. Too many. So somebody might not want somebody to touch their area, may not want them to touch them. So this wife or somebody that's in this relationship with this person might be saying, don't touch me. This person might not want to give sex because it says, do not touch this area. Thanks. So this person might not want them to touch them in some type of way, shape, or form, person, place, or thing. What's it sound like? What's it sound like? Something else flip. What's it sound like? It sounds like this person is highly sexual. That's what it sounds like. They have all these multiple lovers. So, this is what it sounds like. Okay. Alright, this is what it sounds like. Okay, let's get a quick see what it sounds like at first. And then it tells us, it's going to tell us at the end what they feel. And then I'll get 3 cards for what it sounds like. What it sounds like. Alright, so let's move these up. And I'm going to get a quick what it sounds like. What it sounds like. On top of what we already got, what it sound like a well, it sound like a tricycle, and it sound like Eeyore himself. So it sound like divine masculine. Okay, so what it sounds like. Your what it sounds like. Okay, what it sounds like. Sounds like something that's slow. Sounds like something that is having a lifestyle transformation. So it seems like the devil might have been out here. Okay, sound like I told you, it sounds like a water sign was out here. Okay, what it sounds like. It sounds like, yeah. It sounds like a water sign. It sounds like King Dingaling. That's what it sounds like. Okay, let's see what else it says. It sounds like true self. Okay, that's what it sounds like. Okay, it sounds like shopping spree, name brand for less, on season, off season trends. Okay, sounds like protection, winter coat with accessories. Sounds like partners. Sounds like no contact. Sounds like thoughtless. Sounds like validation. Sounds like the trash gets picked up tomorrow. Be ready. Sounds like funny how time slips away. Think twice. Okay. Sounds like straight talk. Sounds like I said, no service. This person might be a narcissist. Sounds like unlimited. Sounds like, I saw some of them cut through because they turned over. Sounds like poor choices. Sounds like free will. Sounds like multi-person partners dealing. Sounds like between you and me. Sounds like better than sex. Sounds like passionate. Sounds like retreat. Sounds like less talk, more action. Sounds like all bets are in. What? What? And it sounds like church, hurt, purse, purple, turkey, turtle. What? And it sounds like, okay. Okay, sounds like this water, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is having a lifestyle transformation. This person was going around in this third party being king dingaling to these three people. That's why he wasn't able to take a fourth cup with true self. With his true self, he thinks he's fab, keeping it up, and he thinks that the material gain that he's getting from brand names for less, shopping sprees, and on-season, off-season trends, this person thinks that they are, protected from the new winter coat with accessories. So this person thinks they're protected, by source. That's they're using that person as their source. Okay, partners. So this partners that they think is their protection, meaning they are codependent on this person for, whatever. So they went in no contact with a person. So you and this person, or that person and another person, could be, because it's a third party, could be in no contact because of their thoughtless acts. They're thoughtless because they think that getting shopping sprees from other people is their true self, is what it's supposed to be truly about. Because, I say you're, and you see it's a turtle with a purse. So this could be a guy that is on the down low. It could be a person that is very, like, I don't know what you call it, like a church person, but then they do not so church things. Okay, church today, I mean, streetwalker tomorrow, today, church tomorrow, that kind of thing. They could be a hurt and damaged person. Purse, they could be, a purse snatcher. They could be a purse, go in your purse when you ain't looking. They could like the color purple, and purple is also got to do with the crown chakra. A turkey, they could be like a jive turkey. They could be a person that's like full of games, thinking they're the hot stuff, like we already seen. And this person could be slow. A turtle, slow moving. A turtle retracts into his shell when they feel threatened. So, they could be, very timid. Okay. And this person could be a planet. So this person could be thinking that, like, planet in their mind, the planet, because that's where your planet is in your mind. So your planet, they might planet in their mind that having all these, material gains from this person that's abundant. Maybe this girl has got a house, a car, and what are you thinking with low-vibe people? They think a house, a car, and all of that stuff is living luxury. So, they might think that her plate look better than yours, and she might be plump because it say plum. So she could be plump, and she pliers. So she might be pliers. So you use pliers to pull things out. So he might be pulling strings and plowing. He might be plowing through the bull crap with her just for this, shopping sprees and this protection that he thinks that he got with these partners. Okay, and it's no contact with you. So these partners validate this, masculine. These partners, he has many flavors, ice cream cones. He has many flavors, to choose from. Okay. But it's one princess he wants the most. She's the prize. Okay. She's a princess. She can fold into a pretzel. She has multifaceted because you know why? She's a diamond in rough. And then when you look into a diamond, you can see them prism of colors inside of a diamond, because she's a prize and she's a present. So this is the one that he really wants to be, but he's paintbrushing this copycat that he got. This copycat girl, this copycat carbon copy woman that he's done made, and he painted a picture of what she's supposed to look like. She's supposed to be pretty, a princess, fold into a pretzel. When he look into her, she's supposed to glow like a prism, and she's supposed to be the prize, and she's a present. But he's paintbrushed this idea of the person that he wanted, because you know, when you got a pink elephant in the room, a pink elephant talking on a cordless phone, you know, those are illusions. We can't talk on the phone. Elephants don't talk on the phone. You know, that's silly to think that an elephant could talk on the phone, right? Phantom, dolphin, we back to that water energy again. Dolphin spirit, we back to that again. You get me? You got me the dolphin spirit. So this person likes to play games because he's a peasant. You get me? You know what I mean? A photograph. So he likes to take pictures to show off. These two might be going around showing themselves off, and they can painting this picture that they're so happy. Okay? When all the while, the trash gets picked up tomorrow. Be ready. So these people are nothing but trashy. They're trashy together. Sorry, y'all. I'm having a little technical difficulties. And when things like that happen, I always tell you that it's a confirmation that I'm telling the truth. Okay? In 1 second here. It says, funny how time slips away. Think twice. So this person thought it was, they didn't know how fast time was going to slip away while they was sitting here trying to figure out this tricycle lifestyle they was going for. You know, they trying to change their lifestyle now, because, you know, it's straight talk now. They got to come straight talk with anything that they come toward this princess with, because, you know, they've had no service from her, and they've had all this unlimited supply of validation and partners and shopping sprees. So they didn't need to be, you know, to call or anything like that, because they was being cutthroat, ruthless measures. So they took ruthless measures against, you know, someone here. And it was a poor choice that they took. That was a poor choice that they took, because what did they do? But it's poor choices of multi-partner dealings. And this free will that they had to do whatever they wanted to do caused them to retreat. Okay? Retreated. They retreated away from you because of these poor choices. And between you and me, meaning between you and them, you were the best. Okay? You were dazzling. And you did it for them. You did it for them. But they couldn't take your offer. You know why? Because I told you. They made a paintbrush decision. They made a paintbrush decision. They painted somebody to copycat. So that's why they didn't want to talk. So they wanted you to talk less. Because the more you talk, you know, consistency, communication, and commit equals commitment. You know. So they didn't want to talk. So they talked less. And they knew that you were better than sex. You know why? They knew they made a big mistake. Eeyore knew. The divine masculine knew. Look into my eyes. And he knew that it was killing him to do it. But he did it anyway. Okay? And he knew that once he had did it, all bets were in. All bets are in. So he knew that all bets was in, no matter how passionate he was for the relationship. It wasn't enough to stop the cheater. Cheater. It wasn't enough to stop him because he felt that, a narcissist, service, no service. So sex, supply, and service all goes for a narcissist. Wow, my goodness, guys. As well as, let's get a few more. Let's get another on here. What spirit is this divine masculine in now? Since that he wanted to tell us his messages. What spirit is he in now? What spirit is he in? And let's clarify it with the Secrets of Tarot after. Okay. Okay? He's in the cow spirit right now. Cow. Cow spirit. Cow. What does a cow do? He just grazes in the pasture and chews grass, right? He's able to be milked for what it's worth. He could be milked. Okay, a cow. So somebody could be having a baby. Okay, one on the cow spirit. One on the cow spirit. Clarify the cow spirit, please. Okay, this divine master is immature. He wants to come around with his wand. He's only looking for sexual pleasures. This cow spirit. That's why she has so many teats under her. Because he goes from teat to teat to teat to teat, sucking from each one. So that's why he's in a cow spirit. A cow has those teats underneath of them. So this page of wands is going around teating from all of these women. Okay? Teating and teating. Paint brushing these copycat women that he make. These illusions. This elephant can't talk on the phone and smile and dance. They can, but illusionally they can't though. Okay. Okay. And we did have one more. We'll get one more on Divine Masculine. Divine Masculine, what else do you want to tell us about what you've been doing and what other messages you wanted to tell us about these partners you've been having? He said he's back to these bees. So Pooh. Here we have Winnie the Pooh now. We have Winnie the Pooh with these bees. So he has, let's see, bees, busy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 busy bees. 6 bees here. So 6 of cups. 6 of swords. This person is walking away trying to go to calmer waters. Bees. These is busy. Yeah, bees. Busy as a bee. So he's busy being a cheater. Sorry. Cheater. He's busy being a cheater. So if you haven't heard from him and no contact and all of that, that is why. Because these tri relationships that he's in, tri-cycles, you get it? Tri-cycles, meaning he goes around and tries her cycle. When she's on her cycle, he goes to the next one. When that one's on her cycle, he goes to the other one. And when that one's on her cycle, she's back to this one on her cycle. So this person could be getting stuff put in his food from when they're on their cycles. They know when each one of these goes on their cycle, he goes and ventures around to the next one when one is on their cycle. And then he goes back and forth. Back and forth. So he's like a rabbit, traveling in the dirt. He goes all around burrowing holes, and these bees say he's busy burrowing all around, burrowing all around. Wherever he lays hat is his home. Hat. This is what I got. Hat, dirt, bee. So the bees, dirt, hat, dirt, bees. You tell me how it go. But if you busy as a bee, dirt, traveling under the ground, burrowing from bee to bee to bee to bee, with this cow spirit, you got this cow with these teats. So that me and you is going from round to round to round, digging around. From maybe he's digging her out, digging you out, and digging the next one out. It's a third party, three-party decision. Wherever he got his hat is his home. So, like I said, when he go to her on her tri-cycle, when she's on her cycle, when she on this, it's a three-person thing. So it's three tri. Oh, wow. My gosh. And then, kite. He's high as a kite. So this person could be taking alcohol. This person could be doing drugs. This person could be just, gets a high off of sex. He could be a sex addict, addicted to sex. He could have sexual transmitted diseases, demons, succubus, incubus type of spirit rooming in him, kite spirit. And the reason why I say that, he has ribbons tied to the kite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So that means he's blocking out how this might pan out. You see the wind blowing the kite, where he blow, busy bees. When the wind get heavy, they blow somewhere else until they can come back and pollinate a flower. Okay? Tigger. So he bounces, he nails. Wow. He nailing, nails, nail. So he's nailing Tigger. Tigger bounces on his tail. So he's nailing. These bees is nailing these ribbons. These 7 ribbons. And 6 here. 2, 4, 6, 7. So 7 bees, 7 ribbons. Okay. And he blocking out, bouncing around, digging from house to house, hat to hat. Maybe these could be condoms that he's wearing. Hats. Jimmy hats. Condom hats. Rain hats, over your Jimmy. This is all the sexual relationships that this person might be in. This might not just be just these 3 tri-person. It could be multi-partners. It says multi-partners. Okay, and he's very passionate about these multi-partners, and he wants you to know that all bets are in. All bets are in, that you know now. Thank you guys for joining. Book a reading with me. Subscribe, like, and all lives do matter.